I'm going to show you a trick on how to replace these without having to dig them all the way up.
All right, here's our broken sprinkler here. But as I mentioned, you don't need to dig this whole thing up. We can actually use this brand new one. We can take the top off here and just swap the tops out. Same thing. There's no reason to dig this up and change everything out. I'll show you how to do that. As you take this top out, you'll see all the spring in the actual center. Pull it out here. Will come out with it. We're going to take this out, slide this down, and just screw it back on. See, with that, there's no reason to actually change the whole thing, dig it all out, take it all apart. You can just change the top out. We have the same 180 degree, and we're good to go.
All right, now that we got that installed, there's one final adjustment you have on this. Even though it's set at 180 degree or depending on the degree you used, there is a little flathead screwdriver spot here that you can adjust to the plus or minus side. That's going to change how far out or how far back that spray is going to go. Of course, if you have any kind of structure like your house or anything, you can turn that negative a little bit, and it's going to bring that spray back. That way it doesn't damage your house over time. And there it is, a simple fix without having to actually dig them all the way up, and now we can start getting this grass fixed. I hope this video helped you. If you can, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel.